Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is your very own Rokhsana Akhter Rupee. Today we will learn a few more prepositions. So let's begin. Believe in. The word believe always takes the preposition in with it. To believe in means to have faith or trust in someone or something. For example, I strongly believe in hard work. We believe in Almighty Allah. But the word believe doesn't take preposition always. For example, I believe everything that my mother says. I believe everything that my best friend says. In these cases, we don't take any preposition with the word believe. Next, angry. We can get angry with a person or at a thing. By now you have already understood that the word angry may take two different prepositions. One, with. Two, at. So angry with a person, angry at a thing. It can be weather, it can be your poor Wi-Fi connection, it can be your television, or it can be your personal computer that is acting up. So you can be angry at the dull weather. You can be angry at your poor Wi-Fi connection, poor internet connection. You can be angry at your personal computer. But we get angry with a person. For example, my teacher was angry with me because I didn't do the homework. I was angry with my best friend because he didn't come to my birthday party. Angry with a person, angry at a thing.